It actually started because of Mary. We were just talking one day about physical manifestations of emotions. And, Mary has written about this and uses it in her own work, how she's journaling to recover herself. But someone said to me sort of those things that people say in passing about getting in touch with the body. But what you're doing is only listening to the external. So if I get up and my back hurts, or if my arm hurts, I know that I probably lifted too heavy a weight yesterday. But what if your liver hurts? What if your spleen is hurting? They don't have any other way of saying ouch until they go ballistic on you. So I think from my expectations were simply to explore a part of the body that you carry with you, but you don't see, therefore you tend to forget. So it was just for me an awakening, an awareness of other organs. This kind of got me thinking about using journaling to go deeper, which is what Mary talks about, the whole idea of going deeper into an area of the body. And then she started saying how she has, talked about this, worked on this, and is doing it herself. So I did it, and it felt kind of dopey, I have to say, in the beginning. It's like, you lie down and you have a piece of paper ready, and you start, saying, there's my liver. Oh, there's my esophagus. You guys have been with me for many, many, many years, and I've never been in touch with you. And it is weird. Please don't think that it is a normal sensation when you first do this. But you have to get over that. Don't think I'm saying that the kidney jumps up and says, hi, but if you get a sensation, if you get a feeling or a thought that comes when you're scanning that portion of the body, if you write it down, it will start triggering more things. Even if you don't have the time to continue journaling at that moment, it will trigger you when you go back. And so it's a remembering thing, and it's a going deeper thing. The idea is to find the time, the place, and the way to do this. And like I said, I felt very strange, this whole idea of talking to your body. I mean, come on. But once I got over that weirdness, I actually enjoyed it. And I equate it to when you go to the gym. I could lift my weights here at home, which I do. When I go to my twice a week, meeting with my trainer, they're going to have a different set of weights. They're going to have a different type of weight. So it's very similar to that. I could sit and write. I could write a diary. I could write a prompt. But when you have someone who says, right now, think about this. Now use this prompt. Now do this. It brings you to places that you either wouldn't necessarily want to go because you don't really want to lift that heavy a weight, or it takes you to places you just don't think of. Then she's got 50 other journaling prompts and ways and methodologies. She uses poetry, she uses music, and I get to tease her endlessly about Barry Manilow because she loves Barry Manilow. We don't go there, but that is something that triggers her. So the whole idea is, here's what you have to do. Now figure out the way that works best for you. And I like that adaptive style. Here's the technique. You adapt it as you will. And that's what I think she brings her people even more. It's not a one size fits all.